This would be the cold room to store food and other items. Thank you for grilling things, all of that. Check out the oven situation and all that. And don't mess up. What would it be? To pour draft beer. So cool. Thank you. This would be the bar. 5, thank you. A calendar from 2009. This would be a main dining room. It's pretty wrecked. But well, I don't know if this would be for sleeping or for something else. There's still a stool left here. And now there's air conditioning. Thank you. Let's see, this would be the main entrance. Here's the price list. €10 set menu. That's fine. I guess this one really is closed. Yes, this one is. Look, you can see better from here. This picture is for serving beer. He stays here. He stays here because... Thank you. But here, I don't know. Take a look, let's see. It sounds really close. Alright, I'm gonna go through here and see. Let's go down. An alarm is sounding, but we don't think it's coming from here. So we're going to keep going. Damn. Someone has slept here. Look. These are bathrooms. Let's look again. An alarm is going off, but it shouldn't be coming from here, because this was completely open. I don't know. It has already stopped. Well guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.